This time I installing brake pads worn sensor on old brake pads because old one was damaged. BMW E60 models have two brake pads worn sensors. One on front left wheel and one on rear right wheel. There is a spring clip on the connector. Connector is made that you can connect it only in one side direction, so you will not mix the polarity. This part of wire is made to be fixed on brake caliper bleeding valve plug. There is a hole to put it on bleeding valve.